Okay, then I have to drag the form view within the step 1 of the. So I will from the compose tab I will drag the form view into the step 1 pane of the wizard. Then step 1 I will change to, I believe, I change step 1 to search employee, and then I will right click on the wizard pane and select add step and double click on the new step and enter modify details as the step name. Okay, so I will here right click, add step, and then I call it modifiers. Okay, now then what I have to do is another view and drop it there to add section and drag and drop another form tree. So I'm here, okay, in page 4 of the Word document. So let me just add another step and call confirmation, and I pull in another form view and okay, so I pull in 2 more forms and put it in those 2 steps. After that what I have to do is I have to select the search employee step, create a transition by selecting the orange dot and dragging it to the upper right hand corner of the modify details step. So I'll do that. Okay, so here transition start and I have to drop it here. Okay, now what do I have to name the transition? I have to name the transition search. Okay, event name for this transition. So this will be called search. Event name for the transition is search. And then what I have to do again is I have to add another transition line from modify details to confirmation and name it save. Okay, so I'll do that, and then this is called save. Okay, I also need to add the following backlinks. So I will do from confirmation to modify details, that would be modify. Okay, from confirmation to modify details will be modify, from confirmation that would be modify, then from modify details to search employees, that's back. That's back, and then I have one more restart. From confirmation to search employees is restart. Confirmation to search employees, and this will be let it be bigger. Okay, okay, now I can see better. So this is restart. Okay, then I will click on the layout and let's see what happens. So I come here, this is my layout, so I click on the layout. Okay, then first wizard step, select form 1 and enter search for employee. For employee as title. Then I have to select the compose tab and select and drag the input field icon to the form. Okay, so I have to go to compose and then I have to pull in the input field icon here, and then I have to change the input field as employee ID. So I have to label it employee ID. I have to label it employee ID. Okay. After that, I have to drag a button onto the workspace and place it below employee ID field. So I have to drag a button. And what will it? Double click on the icon one button, enter search for text and turn off indent. Okay, and click to the right of. Okay, so I enter and then I have to add action, custom action. Okay, and enter search for action name. So I have to come here, add custom action, and I have to add search for action name. And click close. Okay. Click close. Okay. So after that, what I have to do is I have to select the modify details tab, double click on form 2, change the title to details. Okay, come here, form 2, change it to details. Okay, then I have to add the following items. Okay, first plain text, 3 input. Okay, plain text, let me see, text and 3 input. So plain text. Okay, then 3 input fields, 1, 2, 3, then plain text again. Okay, 4 and 2 buttons. Six input fields, so I just do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 2 buttons. Okay, so 1, 2, 2 buttons. Okay, now I have to name them. So the text will be labeled employee details. Okay, so employee details. and then I have to make the styles font style emphasized style 1. So I have to styles font style emphasized style 1 emphasized. Okay, then input field will be first name, last name. So okay, so then input 2 will be employee ID, input 3 will be first name, input 4 will be last name. Okay, employee ID, first name, last name. Then plain text would be personal address and the same style, personal address. Personal address and the style 1 emphasized. And then input 3, house number, street, city, country. House number, street, city, country. Build transitions for the two buttons where back will return you to search employee and save will move you to confirmation. Back will return you to search employee. So I try the action here, add action, custom action, back will return me to search employee. So I have to put in back and it will return me to search employee. Okay, I close this. What I'll do is I click on this back, then I go to action. Okay, I add action. I do already have a back here, so I just take this. I don't have to do custom action, back, and then that would take me to search employee. Okay, here. So within the layer I say search employee. Okay, so back will take me to search employee and save will move you to confirmation. So I choose back to search employee, I close that, and then I have to do the save. I click on save, I go to action, add, and I have to do save, right? So I do not have a save here, so I do custom action, and then I type in save, and that would move me to confirmation. Okay, since I do not have save, I typed in save and I say close. Okay, then I come to confirmation again. So form 3, I change that to uh, confirmation. Okay, so and then I add a plain text field of your change has been saved, font style emphasized. Okay, so I add a plain text field of your change has been saved. Your change has been saved, and then I have to take this font style emphasized, and then I have to add the modify button to transition to modify details. I have to add the modify button modify, and it has to transition to modify details, and then I have to add the restart button to transition to search employee. Okay, so where is modify going again? Modify is going to modify details, and restart is going to search employee. Okay, so modify is going to modify details. Okay, so let me delete this. Modify basically is back. It is going to modify details. Okay, and similarly restart, basically the action is going back, and where it is going back? It is going back to search employee, right? So okay, so modify is going back to modify details, restart is going back to search employee, and I think there is another mistake somewhere. Basically that was save in modified details. Where was save going back? Save was going back to confirmation. Save was moving to confirmation. Okay, so let me try save one more time here. Save was more. Let me try back and see if I can get confirmation. Yes, so save was moving back to confirmation. So now close it. So let me go over it again. In the employee, search employee, I have the search button. Okay, the action was search. Okay, now in the modified details I have all these. Back was going to search employee. Okay, fine. Then save was going to confirmation. So save was going to confirmation. Okay, in the confirmation button I have modify, which was going to modify details. Okay, modify details, and then I had restart, which was going to search employee. So I'm now done. So after this I think I have to just go back to design and I have to deploy and run model. Okay, so let me just do that. I go back to design view. Okay, I deploy. So it's deploying. Now I have to run this. So I'll just run from flex LU002 prototype. So another page should open up. Okay, so this is my second page. Okay, now let me try with, so this has opened up. Let me try with okay, it will just show me the functionality of all the buttons, nothing more than that. So I am here, I can see this, I can see the modify details. Search will take me to modify details, then back will take me to search, and then save will take me to confirmation. Save is not taking me to confirmation, I have to check on that. Okay, and then back is taking me to search. Save should be moving me to confirmation. Okay, so I have some problems here which needs to be fixed. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll fix this save. I'll come here, click on that, remove the action name from here, and then I will add save, and then I'll just let the condition be true and stop it. Okay, and then I will deploy the model one more time. And then I will run it again and I'll see if it is working. So my search employee, okay, I'm running it again, sorry. So this is my, let's see which one is mine. Okay. So let me just try that again. Delhi dot cob dot chico dot edu. Okay, let me try again. So I have this one. So I've deployed it and then I search for it. So it took me to modify details. When I go back, it took me to again search. But when I click on save, I wanted it to go to confirmation. So yes, it does go to confirmation now. And when I modify, it should go to modify details. It does. And then when I restart, it should go to search employee. Okay, it does. So I stop here, and the rest of the assignment I will do in video part 2. Okay.